Lily! Lily! Wake up! Oh no, it's already 8:15.
5 more minutes, Mom.
Sweetheart, no. There are no more minutes. School starts at 8:30.
What? 8:15? Oh no, oh no, oh no! I'm going to be late! Everyone will look at me! The teacher will be angry!
Hey, look at me. Take a deep breath. Good girl, listen to me. Yes, we are late, but it's not the end of the world. We can still make it, okay?
But Mom, I'm scared.
I know, baby. Being late feels scary. But you know what's brave? Going anyway, even when you're afraid.
Okay, let's go.
Lunch is ready. All set for school.
Wait, I forgot my homework!
Already in your bag.
You're the best, Mom!
I know. Now let's go, go, go.
Oh, great. My socks don't even match. Everyone is going to laugh at me.
You know what's brave? Going anyway.
I'm sorry I'm late, Miss Hannah.
Good morning, Lily. Thank you for coming. It takes courage to walk through that door. I'm proud of you.
Come, sit down. We just started.
So, how was it?
I was so scared, Mom. My heart was beating so walked in. Miss Hannah said she was proud of me.
See, you were brave. And brave doesn't mean not scared. Brave means scared but doing it anyway.